Hello.
Hello, Jenya. How are you?
Great yourself.
I'm good. I'm good too. Thank you so much. And we
You
talked
too.
yes. Sorry, say again.
I said it's fantastic to talk with you today.
Thank you so much. I'm so happy too. And we talked a bit yesterday. Do you
Yes.
remember?
Yes, when we were messaging, yes.
Yeah. So, where are you right now?
I am actually in Indonesia.
Oh, because I watched your intro video and you are from Montreal, Canada.
Yes.
Right now, you are in Indonesia.
Yeah.
That's
It's a great
cool.
place.
So,
Yeah.
how
What about
long have
you?
I am in India. I'm from
Okay.
India actually, and
Hmm.
I'm in India. Just
Okay.
just changing in my location. I'm
Okay.
from North, and right now I'm in the south of India.
Fantastic.
Yeah,
For
but
work,
I'm
for
in
studies?
yeah. And how long have you been there in Indonesia?
I've been here for a while. Let's say pre-COVID.
Oh, so it's like 3 years maybe?
Longer
Two.
than that. It's been a while. But
Okay.
I'm happy. I've been here for a while and I'm very happy
Mhm.
and this feels like home.
So why did you choose Indonesia?
I'd say that it chose me instead of me choosing it. I came here on holiday. I'd been here before and I felt very happy and very comfortable. The people here are very nice. The culture is pretty awesome too. And I just felt very happy here, so I chose to stay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right. Because I've watched quite videos about Indonesia.
Hmm.
So something which I like is nature is pretty good there, right?
Very.
So the weather is so cool, nature is awesome, and because you can see greenery far and wide everywhere.
Hmm.
That's so cool, and mountains, waterfalls, so
Volcanoes, yeah.
volcanoes. Yeah, so that's cool. By the way, Janya, I have created a few questions for
Please,
you.
go
Okay,
ahead.
so let's see how much we can cover.
Let's go.
So, my first question. Okay, so my first question, as I watched your introduction video,
Hmm.
and you said in your video that
Mm.
you visited India. You were
Yes.
in India. Yeah.
Yes.
So, how was your experience when you were in India?
It was beautiful. It was not, when you travel to India, regardless of whatever area you cover, you'll never get the full scope of it. So I know that when I went, it was a very limited, very particular area and a particular time when I went, but I was very happy when I went. It was a school trip, actually.
Oh, so your school trip.
It was a school trip. Actually have a. Did you notice that I have an academic degree in religion and culture, specifically in Asian religions?
You are multi knowledge person.
Yeah, we went up to Ladakh actually.
Okay, so it means a long time ago you were here, right?
Yes, 2010.
Around that. So almost 13 years ago.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Okay, cool. I'm so happy. So, do you have good memories of India
I
still?
do. Yes, I definitely will say that it's a place that more people should visit. It's got a bit of everything. It's every Someone described it years ago as everything and its opposite. So as much as there is one of one thing, there is one of something else. So you can find literally everything in India. So
And and
mhm.
and an incident that you can recall,
Well,
or any good moment that you can
oh,
recall?
I'll say one of the ones that marked me was when
Okay.
we were driving up from Leh to pretty much Pangong Lake, and we were on
Oh,
that
okay.
kind of mountain overpass, and it was June. So I'm thinking, okay, Yeah, we're in the mountains, but it's June. The weather's great. It's nice. It's still 20
Mhm.
degrees. As we go in through this mountain pass, we end up starting to have a blizzard.
So,
Uh,
so do you remember the state where you
yeah,
came here?
yeah. It was Jammu Kashmir.
Ah, okay, good. That's right, absolutely right. And okay, any other incident that you can recall?
Oh, I went to a pashmina shop, and that was actually really nice. The guy that was selling them was very nice, and it was my first time where I had actually heard an Islamic call to prayer. I had never heard it before, and we had heard it like in the evenings, and I had no idea what it was. So, India is a home to many different traditions and beliefs, and I liked the way that people were able to live together in harmony with each other, and that was something that I found very interesting. Even though, you know, Ladakh is definitely not a Hindu area; it's definitely Buddhist and Muslim. But it seemed like the way that people were getting along with each other was just so nice, and I appreciated that. And that was the first time I got to see people like it was my first time out of North America. So it was a way to see that people with different systems all kind of got along
Yeah,
together in a very positive way, and I loved it.
that's cool. I'm so happy to know your experience about
Mhm.
India, and though it's your experience about a particular area, particular
Yeah.
state,
I mean,
right?
we did spend time in New Delhi, but it was a very short stay in New Delhi. Very beautiful in New Delhi, but once again, traveling around in the middle of the day, one will experience traffic.
Just a short period of time.
Yeah, we were
Uh,
only there for on our way in and on our way out.
yeah, it's cool. And do you think to come here again?
I think it would be really nice. I do have many friends that actually live in India and are Indian.
Oh,
Yeah, I've have many friends that actually live there. Some that live in one that lives in Rajasthan, one that lives in Pune, one that's in
oh,
Kerala, a few that are in
cool.
Bangalore and Mumbai. Yeah, so a range.
So actually, I'm in the state called Karnataka, and its
Okay.
capital is Bangalore.
Oh, nice. Awesome.
Yeah, so I'm in Karnataka. Uh,
Fantastic.
yeah, it's like corner of southwest corner of India. Not
Mm.
exactly in the south, not exactly in the west, southwest.
Yeah, you're kind of
Yeah,
like
close
I
to
don't know how to.
Kerala, close
Yeah.
to Goa and Kerala.
Oh, that explains why my friend has he has one resort in he has one resort in Kerala and he has another one in Goa. So this explains why my friend has that one. If it's right in the middle, it's very convenient.
Yeah, cool.
Mm,
Okay, so thank you so much for your experience. And
yeah.
my next question that yeah, it's quite interesting for me and hope
Go
for
ahead.
you too. So, if I visit Montreal,
Mhm.
your place, what should I try to eat, or which place should I must
Ooh.
visit?